for every 10 million in sales. I know, it's hard to believe. One, doesn't matter which one it is, as long as it's right for you and as long as you do it consistently over time and build the right habits that go along with the skills, the knowledge, and the systems to support whatever it is that you're doing. Guys, if you focus on two things, and we're going to show you that over the next year, life changes. You're going to do over 10 million. And those are going to be broken into two things: a 90-day or less category of lead generation and a 90-day or more category of lead generation. 90-day or less is going to give you closings within the next 30, 60, 90 days. We're going to find that for you. 90 days or more, that's your long-term piece of it. That's going to build predictable, sustainable, repeatable, recurring revenue for you over time. And we're going to go into both of those things as well. What I want you to be very careful of is who you surround yourself with as well, because that's critical. When you go into an office, if you have an office, when you go onto the Zoom calls, be careful and don't get into the water cooler talk. Surround yourself with the right people that are going to support you, because that's critical as well. If you don't jive with somebody, then don't spend time with them, because there's somebody that you will fit your personality and will bring you up, as opposed to giving you anxiety for being in this business. It's already a very difficult business. It's not easy. It's very simple if you keep it simple and you follow the right steps, but it's not an easy business. You're going to have roller coasters. We're going to see if we can eliminate those and flatten that roller coaster path out for you. We're going to go through and give you clarity on the 1 to 2 things that you want to do over the next 6 months to 12 months. We're going to give you the specific path that if you follow this path and you hit the goals, and you surround yourself with the right people, you'll have closings in the next 30, 60, 90 days. So let's get into it. And keep in mind that you want to block out all that stuff. If you get any kind of sales pitches, if the ads come up on Facebook, if all of those different things are there, ignore them. Please delete them, unsubscribe. You're gonna get them. The grass is not greener somewhere else. It's greener where you water it and fertilize it. So let's build the right activities. Let's generate and build the right habits. And let's build your skills and knowledge, implement the systems, and increase the self-image so that you see yourself achieving the high goals that you've set for yourself. All right, let's cut through the noise. Let's leave it all behind and let's focus, narrow focus, and let's go get them.